Hello children, in today's maths lesson we're doing something a bit different. We're just coming away from white rows just for one day so we can go back over the subtraction when we cross over 10. So you will need two 10 frames like this, which you can print from the remote page or you can just draw out, and then something to act as counters. I've got buttons, so whatever you can find. Okay, and then we're going to practice some different subtractions using the 10 frames. And then you also need either some printouts of the 0 to 20 number lines, or you need to ask your parents kindly to draw you some number lines. Okay, so let's have a go at our first subtraction. We're going to do 13 take away 4. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. There we are, 13 take away 4. Okay, let's zoom back out again. So I'm going to put my 13 counters on my 10 frame. Do I need to count them onto this top one? I don't, do I? Why don't I need to count them on? Because you know when it's full, it's 10, isn't it? But now I'm going to count the rest. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so the subtraction was 13 take away 4. So let's take away 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many does that leave me with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I need to count it like that, or is there a quicker way? If we were in class, I'm sure I would hear you saying, oh, I know it's 9 because there's only one missing, there's one less than 10. Or I know I can go 5 because I know the top row is 5, so I can go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did any of you use one of those methods? If you did, well done. Right, should we write that subtraction out then? 13 take away 4 is equal to 9. Let's write that down. Zoom in a little bit. 13 take away 4 is equal to 9. Good, if you got that right, you can give that a little tick. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 16 take away 7. Okay, so get your 10 frame out again. And let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, put your counters back on. So I need a full one. And if I know one row is 5, I don't even need to count those on because I know that is going to be 15, 16. Okay, are you ready? I'll just give you a second to get that ready. Okay, 16 take away, I can't remember what I said, 7. Okay, are you ready? Let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we've got the same answer, haven't we? How many's left? 9. Fantastic. Let's write that subtraction sentence then. 16 take away 7 is equal to 9. If you've got the same as me, you can give it a tick. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do number 3. Let's do 14 take away 6. Okay, so put your 14 counters on. Okay, right, pause the video now and you do this without me, and then come back and see if you got the same answer as me. Okay, so it was 14 take away 6. I'm going to take my 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can see that there are 8 left. So 14 take away 6 equals 8. Give that a tick if you got that right. Okay, right, now this is the bit where it starts to get tricky. Okay, on Friday we started taking away on a number line, but taking away in big jumps. Okay, so let's try something like this. So we're going to do number 4. Zoom in. Okay, let's do 15 take away 6. So put 15 buttons on your 10 frame. Let me zoom out. Okay, Now, rather than going like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, we are actually going to take them away really quickly, okay? We're going to take them away in 2 goes. I'm just going to go take away 5 and take away 1 more because it was quicker, wasn't it? Okay, so let's do that again. Put them back on. Okay, so 15 take away 6. I'm going to take 5 away first, and I can see that that leaves 10 and then 1 more. Okay, I'm going to show you on a number line. You can do it as well. Okay, just going to spin that round. So let's find 15. Here it is. Okay, zoom in a bit. I'm going to take away 5 first. Now on Friday I said the reason we take away 5 first is we jump to the 10 first, and then it makes it easier because actually if you know your bonds to 10, then it makes this bit really easy. And then we take away 1 more, so we took away 5 and then 1 more. Now why did we do that? Why 1 more? Do you remember? Let me show you up here. So here's our part whole model, and we had to take away 6, but we took away 5 first, and then we take away 1 more because we didn't take away enough, did we? Okay, but to have to go back 1 at a time takes quite a long time, so we're trying to do it in big jumps. So we jump to the 10 and say, how many did I take away to get to 10? 5. How many more do I need to take away? 1, because 5 and 1 is 6. Does that sound okay? Let's write that as a subtraction sentence now. So 15 take away 6 equals, what was it? 9. Okay, should we try another one? Number 5. Let's do it on our 10 frame first. Let's do 12 take away 4. Okay, so let's zoom out. Let's put our 12 buttons on our 10 frame. You do this too with me. Oh, 13, there we go. 12. Are you ready? We've got to take away 4. So how many are we going to take away to get down to the 10? We're going to take away 2, aren't we? Okay, so take away 2. And I'm going to do this on my number line at the same time. So 12. Take away the 2, that gets us to 10. Okay. Now how many more do I need to take away if I want to take away 4 altogether? So I want to take away 4 altogether. Zoom in. 2 and what makes 4? 2 and 2. So I need to take away 2 more. Whoops, went a bit too far that time. Take away 2 more. So I've taken away 4 altogether, and I get to 8. So 12 take away 4 equals 8. We did 12 take away 2 first to get to 10, and then 10 take away 2 to get to 8. Okay, should we do one more together, and then I'm going to leave you to do some on your own. Okay, let's do 15 take away 7. Okay, so let's put 15 counters on the 10 frame. Whoops. Right, fill your 10 frames up. Right, it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, right, I want to take away 7. Is that what I said? Yeah, 7. So how many do I need to take to get down to 10? 5. Let's take away the 5. Okay. So let's do this on my number line as well. 15. If I take away 5, I'll get down to the 10. So take away 5. Okay. But how many more to make 7? Because I've got to take away 7. 5 and what makes 7? 5, how many more to make 7? 2, that's right. So if I take away 2 more, I will have taken away 7 altogether, and that will leave 8. Let's just check and see if that's right on my 10 frame. So I've taken away 5, and if I take away 2 more, I'll have taken away 7, and that leaves 8. So here's my answer. 15 take away 7 equals 8. Right, children, I hope that is a little bit clearer. Now I want you to have a look at the rest of the questions on the teaching slides and see if you can answer them. If you're finding this way of doing it really tricky, don't worry. Just go back to taking away 1 at a time, because we will come back to this when we get to school. You can also just use your 10 frame as well, and you can always use it just to check. And again, if you want to just do crossing off on your 10 frame or using your buttons or pasta shapes on your 10 frame, that's fine. If you can have a go at doing the big jumps, fantastic. And I've also put a couple of challenges on there for you as well. Okay, good luck, and I hope it's made it a little bit clearer.